The path into the unknown. When it goes down the drain, wastewater does not simply disappear, but instead it ends up here, in lengths of plastic pipes measuring several meters, contained in the walls of the building. Plastic pipes that the Poloplast company in Leonding, Upper Austria has been manufacturing for over 60 years. Ours was one of the first companies in Europe to produce plastic pipes. The transition to plastic that we have witnessed in recent decades has occurred for a number of reasons. The products are lighter, which saves weight, and this allows us to conserve energy resources in the production technology area. Moreover, plastic pipes have a longer life, amounting to around 100 years. Therefore, with its Polocal brand, the Leonding pipe producer has earned a global reputation. The Polocal pipe was actually first manufactured in 1957, and today, as far as domestic drainage is concerned, it is known as a premium brand far beyond Austria's borders. From Leonding, we truly deliver to the entire world. We have a presence in Northern Europe and Scandinavia, and this spring we founded a subsidiary in the USA, as we wish to enter the American market. Plastic is lighter and more flexible than cast iron, but at the same time it is also tough. The material in drain pipes is subject to special wear and tear, caused on the inside by flows of acidic and caustic substances, and on the outside by abrasion and pressure. These are burdens that not every plastic can withstand, but this one succeeds. Water drainage in buildings, especially in tall structures, involves extremely complex hydraulics. The wastewater expels the air, resulting in over- and underpressure. It is our aim to ensure that you cannot hear any wastewater sounds when you are in your lounge or bedroom. When a water molecule impacts the pipe's surface, our plastic delays the noise transmission. This is achievable because sound waves transport the noise outwards, and in order to escape, it must pass through 3 differing layers of plastic. These layers progressively deflect the sound waves by up to 180 degrees, and this creates the active noise reduction. The noise is thus cancelled out, as it eliminates itself. Pipes from Leonding are not only used in housing, but also in huge cruise liners. This type of vessel requires several thousand meters of drainage and supply piping. One such ship is currently under construction and is being built in 6 segments. It can therefore be likened to a prefabricated house in which the segments are self-contained and assembled in a finished condition. In a ship, these 6 segments are lined up and then the hull is welded together. Subsequently, the corresponding hydraulic connections are established in the body of the vessel. In recent years, the company at the Leonding location has grown steadily because more orders require additional space for development, production and storage. However, the latter is only for brief periods, as the popular pipes from Upper Austria are in global demand.